Hi, I'm Sam and I'm here today in Mickleover on Radbourne Gate looking at this fantastic 4-bedroom detached family home. Large amount of reception space with this one, 3 bathrooms and a beautiful private garden. Let's go and have a look. And here we are in a lovely welcoming entrance hall. We've got a ground floor WC, lounge, dining area, kitchen with a big family area and leading through into utility with integral access to the garage. Well, let's start in the lounge. So here in the lounge we've got a nice sunny aspect to the front, gas fireplace and lovely neutral colours. And the neutral colour scheme extends into the dining room. Plenty of space in here for an 8-seater dining table and views out into the rear garden. And here in the breakfast kitchen, plenty more space for dining, ample integrated appliances including fridge, freezer, double oven and dishwasher, and a family area with patio doors leading out into the garden. That's the ground floor, let's head on upstairs. Here on the first floor we've got 4 great sized double bedrooms, all with access to a bathroom. Let's go and have a look. And we're here in the master bedroom. Wide variety of storage in here, plenty of fitted wardrobes, dressing table, bedside cabinets and a corner unit, as well as the master bathroom. So that's everything inside, let's head down to the garden. And here we are in the garden. Loads of space out here, nice and private to the rear as well, access to either side and a big variety of beds. As well as all the internal space, the property also features a large double garage, powered door, lighting and plenty of storage as well. And there we go. A 4-bedroom detached house here on Radbourne Gate in Mickleover. Now we'd love the opportunity to show you around. If you'd like to book a viewing, just give our Mickleover branch a call. Our number is 01332 540 522 and we hope to see you here soon. Thank you.